Hi my friends, good evening. So after I consumed what I showed you in previous video, then before I went to teach dance, I drank 2 cups of coffee and I found leftovers 1 cookie Diana didn't finish, and I found in the refrigerator 2 mini pancakes. So I calculate it's about 200 calories. I taught dance, and I took with me 1 cup of papaya. It's about 50 calories. And now it's time for dinner. Kinda late, almost 7 o'clock I came back to home, but I'm going to cook for my family and it's going to smell good, and I don't want to have any temptation. So I will finish my vegetable, barley, turnip green beef soup, probably 150-200 calories. And here is my vegetables. It's baked zucchini, chili pepper, and 5 fresh okras. And then I will drink my herbal tea. And I did drink while I was driving. I drank more than 6 cups of water. Yeah, so total 10 cups of water, 2 cups of green tea, 2 cups of coffee. This is my liquid consumption. And I'm doing this just to share what I eat, how I eat. It's not for make people angry, aggravated. It's just what I do, what keep me active and happy. And it's it. Not to make some kind of discussions. Just to share. Love you all. Bye.